river starts up here.
Check it out. All these creeks and streams are flowing into each other to create Mount Bear River.
Yep, that's the way it works. All this land around the water is called a watershed.
A water what?
A watershed. It's kind of like a funnel. It's the land that helps water from rain and melted snow drain into one place, like a river. My teacher, Ms. Simmons, told us all about them. She's really cool.
So if all the water is flowing into the river like it's supposed to, what's the problem?
Whatever it is, it's gotta be somewhere between here and the spa.
So let's follow the water.
For Jules!
For the boss. Slight problem, you guys. Sorry, that was really close.
It's okay. It was an accident.
The water seems to be flowing fine here.
And it seems to be at the right level, unlike at the spa.
And the plants and grass all look green and healthy, just like they should be.
I even see some fishies. Hey, fishies!
Okay then, we don't see a problem here at the top of the mountain. That's what this smiley face is for. But we think the problem is somewhere between here and the spa, where things are not so good.
Maybe to find the problem with the river, we need to be on the river.
Didge is right. The closer we are to the problem, the better chance we have to solve it.
Okay, let's search for clues.
Here, take these. Buzz hoppin'.
Don't worry, boss. We're gonna get your water back.
Don't worry, Jules. We're gonna save the spa.
This is unacceptable, Jules! Just wait until I write my Yip review!
Please, please, don't worry. The problem is being resolved as we speak. In the meantime, please enjoy our calming kiddie pool. No splashing, please. Okay, boss, relax. Imagine you're lying on a cloud under a warm, gentle waterfall.
Mother!
They're gone now, boss. Just relax. Feel the waterfall dripping and dripping and dripping.
So, what kind of clues are we looking for?
Anything that looks like it could be part of the water problem.
Got it, Maddie. I see something.
Where?
There.
Didge, is it a clue?
No, it's a waterfall. I don't think that was a clue.
It wasn't. But that is. Look where all this water is going.
Wow, the river spread into the floodplain.
Floodplain?
It's the land next to a river that holds the extra water when rivers overflow.
I don't get it. Down near the spa, there's hardly any water. But up here, there's too much water.
How is that possible?
Don't know yet. Inez, how much further to the spa?
Map break.
I'm not sure where we are.
Anything on the map about a big boulder shaped like a dog? Or a gorilla?
Oh, yes! Big Bear Boulder. That puts us right here, near the bottom of Bear Mountain, getting closer to the spa.
that marker says the river's supposed to be 6 cyber feet deep here.
Looks deeper than that to me.
Well, let's see how deep it really is, shall we? It's 8 cyber feet deep here.
That's 2 cyber feet deeper than the sign says.
Yes, I knew it.
Good observation, Buzz. So the water level is higher than normal, but not too much higher. That calls for another face. Not a happy one, but not a sad one either.
Huh?
Hello?
Hello?
Bossy, the boss is not happy. Ditch, please say you found the water problem. My guests are terribly upset. And he's stressing out, so I'm stressing out, so he's stressing out. Is the water fixed yet? And I'm running out of ways to keep them happy.
We're working on it.
The boss is still stressed, and we haven't found the problem yet.
And it doesn't sound like Jules can hold out much longer.
Don't worry, Buzz. It'll be okay.
Yeah, we'll figure this out.
You promise?
And then the big blue baby bunny hopped and hopped and hopped.
And hopped?
Yeah, and hopped.
This is unacceptable!
The afternoon is almost over.
You ruined my spa day! Jules, I'm more stressed than before I got here!
Hey, everyone, I have an idea. Want to listen to a story? It might relax you a little. Okay.
Sure.
You too, Jules. Okay. Maybe just a little break. And the bunny hopped and hopped and hopped.
The flooding is even worse down here.
The plants and flowers are almost underwater.
The water's so deep that, look, even that bridge is underwater.
Yikes! The water goes all the way into the forest. Hang in there, little bear.
What's going on?
All I can tell you is the water is everywhere.
Wow. That is one tall tree.
Guess what? It's actually called Really Tall Tree. And that puts us right here.
Look, another water marker.
According to that, the water's supposed to be 7 cyber feet deep here.
Depth check coming up. The water here is 11 cyber feet deep, not 7.
Wow. So what do we know?
Jack, don't pace.
Ooh, oh, yeah, right. So, up the river, the water was supposed to be 6 cyber feet deep, and it was actually 8. Here, it's supposed to be 7 cyber feet deep, and it's 11. What does that tell us?
The flooding is even worse here than up there.
That it is, Buzz.
Not good. Not good at all. This spot gets a sad face.
The question is, why is the flooding getting worse the farther down the river we go?
And how is that even possible when there's almost no water near the spa?
We could find out soon. We're coming up on a place called... Beartown.
I wonder what we'll find there.
Maybe the key to solving this mystery.
Wow, the water's all the way up to the dock.
It's starting to look like the whole Mount Bear watershed is in trouble.
Yeah, there's too much water for so many of the plants and animals up the river.
And barely enough for all the plants and animals down the river by the spa.
And don't forget the boss. He doesn't have any water either. I mean, no one at the spa does.
And the bunny hopped and hopped and hopped and...
Looks like everyone in Beartown is getting ready for a big flood.
Looks like they already had one.
Huh. I wonder if there's something wrong with these storm drains. Water's supposed to go down into them, not form a puddle.
Excuse me, did it just rain here? Nope, water in the streets is nothing new here. Oh, it goes away eventually.
Yeah, it's gotten a lot worse recently. Right, Jojo?
Sometimes the flooding is so bad, school is canceled, and the playground goes underwater. Another bottle. Oh, missed it.
Not to worry. It'll just wash away with everything else.
Everything else?
Do you know where all the water and litter that goes down these drains ends up?
I recall one time seeing where it all went.
I know. All the water from these little drains goes to the big drain.
Can you show us where the big drain is?
Sure. Come on. And the bunny hopped and hopped and hopped and hopped all the way down to the river for a relaxing swim. The end.
The end? The bunny gets a relaxing swim!
But we don't.
What about that, Jules?
Yes, checking on it right away.
Hey, boss! Wait for me!
There's the big drain.
And there's a big dam.
It's totally made out of trash. Plastic bags, bottles, and some branches and rocks.
I can't believe it. All this litter came down through the storm drains in town and emptied out here, making this dam.
And it backed up all those storm drains in town.
There's that bottle you missed.
Gee, I had no idea it was this bad.
That's the problem. All that trash is stopping the water from flowing.
Now I see what happened. The dam at Beartown stopped the water in the river from going south toward the spa, so the water backed up and flooded the watershed up north. Double sad.
This mess has caused a problem for the river, the watershed, and every animal and plant around.
Not to mention everyone who lives here.
We need to clear away the dam so the river can flow again.
When we do that, the floodwaters should go down too.
All right, let's clean up this trash.
I was just gonna say that.
My family will help.
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the PBS Kids video app.